If you're someone who likes to keep their music playlists in a specific order, then you'll want to watch this video until the very end to find out how to change the order of songs on a Spotify playlist on an Android phone. The process is actually very simple. All you need is your phone and an internet connection. So without wasting any more time, let's get started right away. To get started, first open up your Spotify application. And then go over to the playlist that you want to change the song order on. Once you are on the playlist that you selected, tap on these three dots over here, and then simply tap on Edit Playlist. After that, tap and hold on these three lines right next to the song, and then simply drag this up or down depending on where you want this song to be. And then tap on Save at the top right to save all the changes that you made to your Spotify playlist. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.